Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're back with another screen replacement with an Apple device. And this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We're gonna show you how we fix this one, and as you can see, there's a corner with a big crack. And we advise all our customers who have free diagnostic or checkup that they immediately replace the screen when they see this damage, because it tends to grow all over the screen. And as you can see that there's a lot of indistinguishable cracks across the screen. It may grow and propagate and get worse over time, so we have to remove it. And a typical Apple device, you have to remove the two screws below, and there's a lot of connected ribbon cables to the board, which is quite straightforward to remove if you have the right tools. So don't attempt this if you don't have the right screwdrivers or you don't know the proper placement of each screw. And as you can see, those ribbon cables are for the screen, the fingerprint. And this is why you need CBD Repair Center and a professional service, is because we tend to replace screens that are serialized, and we transfer those information to the new screen. If you try this on your own without doing this part, you will not have a working fingerprint scanner or even the display, because the Apple have serialized all the parts. If you don't transfer the embedded information from the stock part to the new one, you won't be able to use it as normally. And as you can see here, we're gonna proceed with a standard transplant of the new screen, and this is pretty straightforward also, since Sydney CBD Repair Center also offers a full screen assembly. We don't just replace the glass or the LCD, we have it the full thing, and we're just gonna put it back. And it may be looking so easy and fast with David's hands here, but it's pretty time consuming, and we're taking our time here. We're just fast forwarding some of the parts, and as you can see, when we try it out, it immediately boots up and recognizes the passcode and even the fingerprint of the customer. And as you can see, the screen is responsive. We're gonna try notes, and of course we have a lot of testing before we close this up, including charging the camera. Make sure those are clean and properly installed, and the final two screws, which we are the same things that we began this assembly, is put back in place, and we're done. We're gonna try to turn it on here. And if you have an Apple device, this one is an iPhone 11 Max Pro Max. And if you have other models that you want to revive, including older iPhone 6, 7, 8, or even 10, just give it to David and we're gonna fix it up for you. We also do Android devices. We currently have our bestseller service, the ROG phone repair, and all our service, if we have this tempered glass and if the customer wants it, then we put it here so that you prevent another screen cracks in the future. And look at that. David is just a pro. Look at that. There's no tape necessary. Just put it on top and then swipe it down, and we're done. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to our channel. Till next time, cheers.